Hello guys. So today I'm gonna talk about the new projects. The new project that I was working on. Like I have just finished this project. It is called this WebSql Executor thing. It's just a simple code. Just how much? 112, 112 line of code. So it's a simple code, but it actually offers a really good thing. That is SQL testing. So if you want to check out your SQL, you can go to the link. I'll provide you the link of the repository. You can look at the code, how it's working internally, like how it's working. I'm just gonna explain you just very fast. So these are some states used by React, importing some of the use effect and use state. Use effect is called when the app launches for the first and it creates a web SQL database, just a temporary name for it, and some size estimations, display name, and a lot of things. If it if it happens, then this as this, everything works. And then there are some you write the code here. Click on the button run query. Output is shown here. If the message is set here. So like it's a very basic stuff, JavaScript and web SQL database. So you can clearly use that. You can simply use that project in your daily life to check some basic SQL codes. So like if I run create table data id integer primary key and data varchar, if you run the query, it runs. All right, now I'm gonna insert something into it. Insert into data. I'm gonna put data to something like hello. I'm gonna put more data. This is the second column, and if you know SQL, that you know that you can say that you can input multiple rows in a single time, and this is the third. After doing it, you'll see like important stuff like imported successfully row number 3, like the last row that was inserted was 3 and total number of rows are 3. So like insert a new row, then it's not a SQL tutorial, it's just a video about what I created. Hello, this is the fourth column. So you see, last column was 4 and the inserted number is 1. Now I can have all the data, select all from data and you see this is how it is shown. It is a pretty good way to show the data. I think it's one of the very good looking, not so good looking, but very efficient and useful projects that I've ever created. It's just a simple code, simple project, but yet it is very powerful tool to use on a daily basis if you want to check your SQL code if it's working or not. It supports all the methods that we use in SQL, almost all. Like, can I use count? I hope I can use. I don't know whether SQL supports count or not, but I'm trying. Maybe their APIs and keywords are different. I don't know. I'm just trying for the first time. For the first time, select count ID from data. Does it work? Yes, it's work. So it is working. Can I say like as count of data yes, it is pretty much workable. Like, I know SQL. I'm feeling right now. Every single SQL code I'm running is showing no error. That means I can just feel proud that I know SQL. Today I'm very happy. Sorry, sorry about that. But like, actually my code is working and my code is working without any errors, and I'm really really happy today. So you can check out the code. It's all free. It's all usable, and it is. You can see. You must say that it is very very useful project. For most of the time you want to execute queries, you go to exam server, turn on exam server, run SQL there, or you go to some online compilers. This is just an easy thing. There's single button, single way to see things. Most important things are visible here. If you want to see some debugging output, you may prefer the console log, because I'm console logging every single thing that is important. All right, so like, these are the most important things and I'm just logging them. I did not remove the console log things because I wanted to give the ability for to you to choose how you see the output, right? So you can see the output in the console as well without worrying about this stuff. All right, so this is all about this video, guys. Definitely I'll put the link. It is all written in TypeScript, JavaScript for you. In the docs, it's compiled version by React. So I think I should say thanks to you. I created this. I thought I would do something with this. This was a project idea, WebSql database, and it's done. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next video.